Dear Lord, sana okay na yung color grading ng camera na to. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jamie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys 3 new skincare items that I recently got. And the best part is no item will go above 1,000 pesos or $20. The second good thing about this haul is that all items are so easy to find or are very accessible. So without further ado, let's get started. The first item that I have is a body scrub and it's the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. The funny thing is I always see this in the supermarket but I never really had any interest to try it out until I actually got to try it at my friend's house. So after that whole experience when I took a bath at her place and then I tried this out, it was so good. I mean, when you exfoliate using this, I don't know, my body just feels so refreshed. And I guess it's also the scent because it's very light, it's not overpowering, and it just makes you feel so fresh and clean. My OG subscribers know that I'm very particular with scents, and I really like this one because I am all about the fresh, clean, labas sa shower scent all the time. I'm also a huge fan of body scrubs because I really love to exfoliate not just my face but also my legs and my armpits. You really have to exfoliate to take out all the dead skin cells, and if you do hot or cold waxing, you have to exfoliate to stimulate the growth of hair and to avoid ingrown hairs. I'm not a fan of loofahs or anything like that because I feel like it's too harsh on the skin and I have very sensitive skin. Also take note that rubbing your skin too much creates too much friction, so it darkens your skin, especially your underarms. I feel like this is the most gentle scrub and I'm going to use it for 30 days and we're gonna see if it's going to make it in my favorites list. Next item that I have is the Human Nature Sunflower Beauty Oil Luxe. I've tried their Sunflower Beauty Oil, like the regular variant, but I never liked it because it just seemed to break me out even more. Some oils don't really do well with our skin because instead of moisturizing it, it tends to clog more of your pores. But when I saw this in Beauty Manila, I read a lot of the reviews and so many people attest to this. Sunflower oil has the power to really moisturize and hydrate your skin, and some people say that it lessens the wrinkles or it kind of makes the signs of aging a little bit better. So I really wanted to try this out. I like that the sunflower oil is rich in oleic acid and vitamin E, which are the 2 main ingredients for anti-aging and also to keep your skin looking hydrated and fresh. Human Nature is also known for all natural ingredients. It's a locally made product, so let's support local. And I really believe in their advocacy. It's also cruelty-free, it's vegan, so it's really nice to try this out. The shelf life of this oil is only 12 months, so you know that it's absolutely fresh. I'm hoping that this version of the sunflower oil will react a lot better on my skin as compared to the regular kind. Third item is a foreign brand, but you can easily get it from beautymanila.com. This is the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. I have a lot of trouble with blackheads and whiteheads, especially in my nose area. So when I do some makeup tutorials, you guys have probably noticed that I have a lot of whiteheads near my nose. I'm not gonna deny it, guys, I have a lot of whiteheads. The thing is, I'm getting kind of sick and tired of using nose strips because they're kind of pricey and they don't really get every single whitehead or blackhead. So I really wanted to try this out. I saw the reviews and the description of the product, and my understanding is this is a chemical peel that you apply like a toner, so it will prevent all the blackheads and whiteheads and it will kind of strip them off your face, but it will not dry your face. You guys can see that I use quite a bit of it, but I haven't really fully put it to the test because I haven't been using it consistently, so I can't really tell if the results are good or not. But this month, I promise to use this as religiously as I can, and let's see by the end of the month if this will go to my favorites list. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned until the end of the month to know which of these products or if all of these products make it to my favorites list. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!